5:50 p.m. May 28. The lanterns start going in. 6,000 of them, both sides of the canal, Buddhists, locals, tourists, everyone. One person, one lantern, one quiet prayer. The monks here will explain it like this. The flame inside the lantern stands for wisdom, for compassion, and for hope. The lotus shape around the flame, that's the protection of the Buddha and Bodhisattvas, wrapped around everything you carry. The idea is, when you let the lantern go, you're letting the heavy stuff go with it. Whatever been sitting on your chest, whatever been keeping you up, the water carry it off. And then thousands of these tiny lights just drift slowly across the Nhiêu Lộc Thị Nghè Canal, like a galaxy somebody set loose on the water, right in the middle of the biggest, loudest city in Vietnam. Stand there for a minute and you get it. You get why Saigon loves this place so much.